Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. This is FCM Crypto. Please do like and subscribe. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just giving you my opinions, my analysis. You guys really try and understand what I'm doing, and if you agree with it, then make your own moves. So excuse my voice today because a little bit sick, so it might be a bit funny. Um, so guys, I'm concerned. The reason I'm doing this video, haven't done one in a while, is because I'm very concerned about where we are right now. Looking at multiple assets, different markets, I am speculating that there's a high possibility for a kind of black swan event in the next 24 hours or so. So let me just go through a few assets and explain why and what my idea is. But guys, please, don't let, this is what I'm doing. So some of you guys might be long-term hodlers, which is great because all the things I'm talking about right now is in the long term, you will be profitable. So if you're hodlers, think about what you want to do, how you want to make your moves. I'm telling you how I'm going to make my moves, and then that's how it is really. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I can be wrong as well, so you guys need to take responsibility, do your own analysis, and understand that. So I'm going to start here with XRP because yeah, it's giving a lot of clues as well for me right now. So I'm on the 4 hour with XRP, and I want to show you where my concern is. So if we do a Fibonacci retracement from our low to our high on the macro 4 hour picture here, this is the pattern which is currently under. So you can see, guys, right, we've got numerous golden sort of rejections. I'm looking at a bigger picture here, and this is from April 2021 till now, basically. So you understand is, we've had multiple rejections from the golden levels, which is the ones around the 50%. And I'm looking at this guy here right now, which is where we're at. So just remove that. So this is the current move in play, okay, on the 4 hours. Again, if we do a Fibonacci retracement from here to here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rejections from the 6180. It's really not looking great. In terms of 8 waves, it looks to be like we've got a bearish continuation pattern. Just to give you an idea of that. So what I'm looking at right now in the short term is we've got a 1-1, we've got a 2-2, okay, again rejection from the golden, and right now we're working on what I think is going to be the final move of 3-3, and at these levels is where I believe it will go down. So we're talking about 80 cents, worst case like 82 or 84. I've got my, I think on 82, this 82,800 is a highly sort of good place to sell or to short if you're futures trading. Just make sure your liquidation is above 91. So I think opening hours of tomorrow, I think we're going to have quite a steep move up here now, and then quite likely we're going to have a really sort of ugly move down. That's XRP. Let's just have a quick look at the Dow Jones. So let me remove all these so I can clean up the chart. I'll explain my logic here. So my last video, we were talking about this right shoulder, that it will come down to here and form a right shoulder. It did that. We can see it sort of now at the end of its just see where we were. Yeah, okay. So we've got our left shoulder, right shoulder, came back up, and now looks like it's going to drop. This is the March 15th date. Again, I feel like things are going to fall before that. I've got a gut feeling that tomorrow, when XRP, let's say, gets up to its like 82, 83 cents, another golden rejection from the 50, we're going to get that sort of tumble. That's kind of, I'm working with XRP at the moment as my signal where to leave the market, and that's what I'm going to do. Again, you guys do what you want to do. So we've got the 10 shoulders. Dow Jones is not looking good. I believe tomorrow we might get a strong move down to here, and what will happen there, we'll have odds probably before March the 15th, like we'll have a sudden drop here, let's say, down towards this sort of level, right? At this level again, let's say we fall down to here, okay? It doesn't always follow exactly where the projection pool says, okay? Then we fall down tomorrow, you know, we've got odds, and then a short right shoulder, let's call this the losers rally, and it'll be there on Bitcoin as well till March the 15th. Everyone's expecting March 15th, and then we form the end of the right shoulder from this head and shoulders. What does this give us on March the 15th? Yeah, guys, this is why I'm saying I feel like it's coming earlier than March the 15th, the first move. Okay, so the first move on Dow Jones, this isn't a small move for Dow Jones. This is probably around, let's have a look, 10% maybe, which really is, yeah, 10%, which really is quite a lot. So imagine what that's going to do to gold. Imagine what it's going to do to other crypto assets. It's really going to have probably, let's say if this comes down 10%, expect Bitcoin to come down 20%, expect XRP to come down 25%, expect something for data as well. So we'll look at data in a bit. Let me just finish off here. So I expect, looking really at the macro, what's happening, March 15th we start. So we had a losers rally after the dip. Let's say this is the first 2 weeks of March going up, okay, losers rally, boom, March 15th come down, right, probably to this level here, okay. My drawings are not always accurate, but just to give you an idea what I'm thinking. Yeah, so we come down to here, and then we've got, let's say we go up a little bit, okay, and then what do we have here? An even worse, bigger head and shoulders if it plays this sort of move out, okay. And then again we have to analyze where could it be heading, and it looks like we're going to come near to this sort of macro neckline, okay. I believe this is where it will maintain a higher low, and then things will start pushing up, so around this range here. Now, you guys that follow different theories and stuff, let's have a look here. So this is approximately, exactly a 50% retrace. If you follow Charles Dow theory, you'll understand that that makes a lot of sense. So I'm calling what I believe right now, based on some technical evidence, of course a lot of speculation, that this is a kind of a black swan event happening right now. We can expect a 50% correction on Dow Jones, which is massive on Dow Jones, keep that in mind. Probably from now till, yeah, I can't give you a time, but maybe Q3 this year, yeah, so maybe September, maybe December even. It's not looking good, to be honest. And if you look at the overall, I mean, stocks have been going up for how long, non-stop, and it's due a correction. And higher low here, that would make a lot of sense to me. A 50% correction. Going to look at data now, and guys, where did things go wrong? I look at this and I say, I couldn't have made a different decision here. It made a lot of sense. There was technical evidence for it. This was a bullish continuation pattern, but the market wants something else. So right now, on the smaller time frames, one more thing I want to show you. So if we run a Fibonacci from our high to our low, we can see when we came up, I think it was last week or the week before, to this sort of 10 cents mark, you can see that's again a golden rejection, and it's 1, 2, 3 golden rejection. Call it a triple top. I don't think we're going above here. I don't think there's time, and I'm looking at other stuff, the Dow Jones obviously, and the dollar, and XRP, and Bitcoin, and I don't think it's going to happen anymore in data. I don't think it's ready, and I think the mainnet launch is going to be very bad timing, and a lot of people are going to be buying data probably, thinking about this mainnet launch, and it could be a tough one. So I believe that the last bastion on data is 0.5548 for me to protect this higher low. So what I'm thinking right now is when we have this initial, let's go back to Dow Jones, when we have this, we have this initial head and shoulders neckline come down, which is around 10%. I think on data, I believe that 0.5548 will be sort of the level that goes down to, which should be around a 28-30% retracement for where we are right now. So keep that in mind, and then this could be testnet when testnet goes. So I'm expecting a strong move down tomorrow on Tuesday when the market's open, like a really sort of boom, a flash move, and then hopefully we get up with the mainnet launch, and maybe we get a strong move here, maybe. So this is where, worst case scenario, I'm going to exit the market at this level, 0.05594. Yeah, and that will be it for me. I'll be sitting out on Fiat. I'll just go to the coin per peak. I just want to show you why I'm choosing that as my last bastion. Is it clear here? This is all based on my targets of $34, which I still believe we will go to. It's not that it's over. I just believe it's going to take a bit longer. Sorry guys, let me just drink some water. So we're here right now. I believe the last bastion is, where are we? Yeah. Is this golden level here, which I talked about? Yeah, 0.055. So this would be the last bastion for a possible bullish outcome, because it will be a bounce from this golden level. Anything below there, we've lost it, so it's not looking good. Keep in mind one thing, that if it does go down here, then we've got a macro inverse cup and handle, which is ugly. The targets for this would be down here, 0.0076,800. Although that would be a higher low, which is good, on the macros type of things. This is what I'm thinking based on the 50% Dow Jones retracement that I've got in my mind. So if that happens, we're talking from where we are right now, around 89% retracement, 90% retracement. It doesn't always come up to here, but anything like 88% would be perfect. And then that would, let's look at the really big picture, we would then have our interesting bullish pattern. Like I said, I still believe in $34. if you guys want to stick through and you're in it for 1-2 years, then so be it. So this would be the two, so 1 1 2 2, somewhere around here, could be anywhere in this region, let's say, and then we go up, last leg down, and then take off. Like I said, I don't think data is ready right now. I'm praying it does do something, come up here. I will sell as per my previous strategy, anywhere around, probably now around 18 to 20 cents, just to have profit. Otherwise it goes past 5, I'm sitting out till we get below, I'd say at least 0.012 or somewhere around that. And yeah, and this would be a great setup. If it did come down to here, it would be all the way bullish. We've maintained a strong higher low, and we've got here a strong lower high. This is really the big picture, yeah. So XRP, my targets around, right, my targets, let's say with the 50% decrease in the Dow Jones, my targets on XRP is around 34 cents. So keep that in mind, could be a good level. I think it will be about 60-70%. Let's just check from where we are right now. Oh no, it'll be around 55-60%. Yeah, like 34 cents. I'll start buying again. Could come down to 30. On the big picture of XRP, it will be great. There's no issues there. Yeah. Then we'll have similar to data, a 1-1, a 2 to anywhere 30 cents. We'll maintain a strong higher low around 30 cents, 34 cents. Let's check this here. What would the trend line say? Where we are right now. I do not use trend lines, by the way, so much because they break very, very easily. But anyway, 31 cents. So yeah, it will still be a strong lower high low. So that's XRP data. Bitcoin. Bitcoin, if we come down here, okay, I don't know. I think Bitcoin, this could be the loser's rally right now. I haven't got it right with me now, but I did do a detailed analysis where I thought we're going. I'll just check one thing from a high to a low. Yeah, so I'm looking at this sort of region here, anywhere between $16,000 and $11,000, based on the Dow Jones and everything else we talked about on the macro picture. So a 50% retracement on Bitcoin would also be good. Yeah, that would be around 16,200. That would make a lot of sense. It will kind of coordinate with data and XRP and everything else. So this is what I'm looking at, guys. It's not good. It's probably not news you want to hear from me. Again, I can be wrong, but this is what I'm doing. I like to share, what I'm doing. Maybe you guys can learn something as well, improve your trading. Yeah, so it's not a good outlook right now. Keep that in mind. Be careful. Use your stop losses. Just be very, very careful. And yeah, if you're hodling, then hodl, and probably by the end of this year everything will be much better. And of course there'll be things in between where we could probably try and make some extra money. Alright then, well, please do like and subscribe to the channel again. If you're just first time listening, please you can join our Telegram group. The link is down below in the description. And wishing you all a great day, and yeah, good luck.